Hi, friends. I'm Webmaster Chris Heidlebaugh with Colorado Web Impressions, where we help Colorado small businesses just like yours succeed online. And I want to welcome you to our free training, free tutorials, free digital marketing for DIYer type of a section of our website. We've been in business and I have experience for the last 20 years, you accumulate a lot of knowledge and a lot of different things. And one of the best gifts that we've been given from God is the ability to share knowledge with other people. There's a lot of people who are very motivated to learn about web design and SEO or social media or WordPress, videos and things like that. So we want to be able to share what we know with you. Now, granted, to be fair, not everything that we do is going to maybe make sense. Not everything that we do may impact you, but something might. We might put out, a few hundred videos and maybe only one video is going to really impact you. Or we might, show you a series of how to build a WordPress website and you're able to do it and you're able to save, 2, 3, 4, 5, who knows how many thousands of dollars by doing the work yourself. For us, if we've been given talents, in the scriptures say we're giving 5 talents and we're able to turn that into 10, the worst thing we can do is not to share that with other people. And as our neighbors and friends and family, we want to be able to share information that we know because it's not ours. If God's giving us this knowledge and it's a gift to us, we want to be able to share that with you. And it also holds us accountable. And we can also share information with you in terms of when we say, hey, we're going to work with this web hosting plugin or, this WordPress something, or this domain name something, it kind of makes a lot more sense. And so our purpose is to share knowledge with you that's hopefully relevant. Obviously technology is always changing. So a video we put out 6 months or a year ago may not be relevant now, but we definitely try to keep up with this stuff. And of course, again, this is for no obligation. We don't ask for emails. We don't ask for anything. We just want to share information with you. So from our blog where we have written articles to our podcast, our Colorado podcast show that you can listen to on your favorite podcast, app or device, to our most popular free, video tutorials, where on our YouTube channel and on these pages, we share videos of how to do a lot of the work that we do, like how to build a website and how to do SEO and how to really dive into WordPress and stuff like that. So if you are a business owner here in Colorado or an individual or even just a friend of somebody who sent you the link here, again, our heart is just to serve, to be able to serve you, to hopefully be a blessing, to share what we know with you. And of course, if you don't see something that you see that you need, just get a hold of us and say, hey, I'm working on this type of project. Or if you want to do like a live audit, we can go with you through your website and show you different things. Again, it's just about sharing knowledge with somebody else, just like you have a gift. You watching this you have a special gift or multiple talents that God has blessed you with, and we can learn from you. And so if you have a special talent or gift, reach out to us. We'd love to learn, or if you have a website to see what it's about, that we can learn from you as well. So again, this is all of us just coming together, sharing information, and hopefully trying to be a blessing to somebody else. So again, if you need anything, please reach out to us. And if you're looking at some of these, our paid services and you're like, what, I think I can build the website myself, but when it comes to the SEO, I think we might need a little bit of help. Again, we have some videos, but if you need paid services, they're there, but that's not the purpose of these videos. Again, the purpose of these videos and information is to simply share God's love with you, to treat a neighbor like ourselves, and to again, just be a blessing for you. So if you watch our videos and if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, it's such a blessing. Thank you so very much. Or if you listen to the podcast and you follow us, again, thank you so very much. And the best, gift ever is just a referral. And so if we've blessed you, maybe, you might tell somebody about us and maybe they might learn how to build a website themselves and continue to grow. So thank you so very much. And again, I'm Webmaster Chris Heidlebaugh, owner and founder of Colorado Web Impressions. I do hope these tutorials and this free training helps you. And thank you so much. God bless you and take care.